first search, so you just have to go in a depth and just print it. Okay, let's do this. First you have to create int adjacent dot size and vector int answer, and again vector int visited of n size and initially 0, and then traverse through this for int I equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus. I will check if it is not visited, then I will pass the DFS function DFS1, which is passing I adjacent matrix and then visited comma answer. Okay, and after this you just have to return the answer. Let's make a function void DFS1 int node comma vector comma int ampersand adjacent list, and then vector int ampersand visited, and again vector int ampersand answer. Okay, let's write the code for this. Viz of node visited of node is equals to 1, and then answer dot pushback node, and again I will traverse through this for auto it adjacent of node. If it is not visited, I will check. If it is not visited, then I will call the DFS of it comma adjacent comma visited comma answer. Let's run this code, whether it is running properly or not. DFS1, sorry, it is DFS1. Let's run this code. GFG DFS IT. Okay, let's again run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.